Good? How good?
Good. Really good.
Hey! What's up? Improvement Warrior. Jason Yun, Spencer Yun, back with you again. We're in the kitchen.
Making cookies!
Making cookies. Keto cookies. We're making...
They're called regular.
Okay, they're called regular. We're making chocolate chip cookies.
No, they're just called chocolate chips.
No, because they're going to be chocolate.
Okay.
Chocolate chip. Okay?
But they usually call it chocolate chip.
Yes, but we do different things. Okay?
But chocolate chip!
Ingredients you're going to need for this. First step is preheat your oven to 328 degrees.
We have some milk.
Milk, you will need 2 to 3 tablespoons.
We have some
almond milk. We have
pecan.
lakanto. You will need 2 tablespoons.
We have eggs.
We have 1 duck egg, which is equivalent to about which is equivalent to about 1.5 to 2 chicken eggs.
We have salt.
Pink Himalayan salt. That is 1/4 teaspoon.
We have chocolate.
Chocolate, grass-fed isolene protein. We're going to do 2 scoops.
We have chocolate chips.
Chocolate chips. You will need 2 to 4 dark chocolate.
We have coconut.
Coconut oil, 2 tablespoons.
We have vanilla.
Vanilla extract, yes. You will need 1 teaspoon.
And we have this.
What's that? Oh, baking soda.
We have baking soda.
1/8 of a teaspoon, and then you'll also need.
And we have peppermint.
Oh yes, we have peppermint essential oil, and then you'll also need flour, approved flour. So we're gonna use. Should we use almond?
Yes.
Pecan, walnut, cashew, almond.
Yeah.
All right, we're gonna use almond flour. We're gonna need 1 cup.
I like cashews.
You want cashews?
Yeah.
Okay. So this is gonna go to paleo, not a keto, because cashews don't have any fiber, so it's gonna increase the carb ratio. All right, let's get to work. Let's get to work. First step, in your mixer or bowl, add all your dry ingredients first. Okay, once you got all the dry ingredients, make sure you mix it good. That's good, that's good. Now we're going to add the wet ingredients.
Yes.
Melt your coconut.
Start on the pan. We started on the pan.
Start stirring.
Start stirring. One. Mom, Dad, 1.
Yes, 1. Step on the side. 1. 2.
With the spatula?
Take a spoon or whatever you want to serve it in.
You can use a spatula?
You can use a spatula and just place it down.
And pat it.
Not too big. That's too big because they're going to grow. Yeah.
That's too big too.
No, it's not. Just place it. Make sure that there's enough space between them.
And I love you.
Okay. Flat them and shape them.
You're the shaper, I'm the patter.
Nine cookies going in the oven, 328 degrees, preheated for 10 to 12 minutes. Then we'll give it a taste test. It was actually 18 minutes. I flipped them at 12 minutes because it wasn't cooking fast enough, but here they are. We got 9 out of them, and they are very delicious, very moist. All the flavors mixed together pretty much perfectly. And there was a chocolate chip. So good stuff there. Excellent stuff, excellent recipe. Give it a go. In terms of my cookie recipes or cookies in general, I give it a 9. Got the macros for you. So again, we had 9 total servings. You've got 234 calories, 12.6 carbs, and 2.5 fiber, so 10.1 net carbs. Remember, we used cashew flour, so any of the other nut flours, almond, pecan, walnut, will have a lot less carbs. Cashew, I don't think has, it's got like less than 10% fiber. Then we've got the fat content, 19 grams of fat, 6.1 saturated, cholesterol 73 milligrams. What's protein? Protein is 8.5 grams. Okay. Let me know what you thought of the recipe. Like, comment, share. Don't forget to subscribe. And I will have more recipes, more fitness, more light, more everything, health, optimal health, becoming a mitochondriac, all that stuff coming up for you here. And links down below to help you grow stronger. And free reports down below. Get those. Remember, I am not the typical trainer, typical nutritionist. Remember, I retired as a trainer, as a nutritionist, to focus on light. Light is what it's all about, and if you don't believe it, I don't give a damn. It's that simple. I really don't. You got to do it in order to feel what it's like to move to optimal. But if you have questions on anything, let me know. I'm Jason Yun. You have a great day. Stay strong, stay positive. Be the improvement warrior. Get outside. All right, it is time for Spencer's taste test. Good? How good?
Good, really good.